Have you heard of the Barr dollar? I heard about them as a kid when my mother gave me a handful of them and told me not to spend them. I'm glad they didn't get converted into quarters for Robotron back in the day. Most of these Barr dollars are only going to be worth a few dollars. Let's take a look at some of the top sellers. Our first note is actually two notes. You can see the signature of Joseph Barr at the bottom right of the dollar bill. This makes it a Barr note, and it gets better because Barr actually autographed the note as well. Barr only served as U.S. Treasury Secretary for 28 days. Collectors hoarded these bills anticipating their rarity, but there were about 458 million of these produced. The other note included in this lot was signed and autographed by Barr's predecessor, Henry Fowler, and it's a star note. Fowler's note graded gem crisp uncirculated, and Barr's note graded XF or extremely fine. These two notes sold together at auction for $258. Do you have any Barr dollars in your collection? Drop me a comment below and let me know. Here's another Barr dollar that'll make money. It's not just $1 though, it's a stack of 100 gem crisp uncirculated Barr notes. There's nothing special about the serial numbers on these dollar bills, but you don't want to use these to make it rain. Only a few of these Barr bills show signs of handling. This stack of 100 $1 Barr notes sold at auction for $345. You can see that the first Barr dollar in this $100 stack is a star note. A star note's a replacement note for a bill that was damaged or misprinted. Sometimes this can even add a premium to your note. These notes were graded gem crisp uncirculated, and these 1963B Federal Reserve notes sold at Heritage Auctions for $862. Do you notice anything odd about this $1 Barr note? You can see the word specimen printed out on the front and the back of the Barr dollar, and check out that serial number, 234567889. This is definitely a keeper. A specimen note is a sample or test note for internal use. This note should have never made it into circulation. It was submitted to PCGS for grading and came back gem uncirculated 66. This Barr dollar sold at auction for $1,840. When I got my first couple of Barr dollars, I thought it was pretty cool to have something that was unique. But you've reached a high tier on the luck scale when you come across a Barr dollar with 8 consecutive 7s. This is one of the coolest serial numbers you can find on any note. It was submitted to PCGS for grading and came back gem uncirculated 65 PPQ. PPQ stands for Premium Paper Quality. The bill went to auction in October of 2025, and the lucky owner received $4,320. Standard circulated Barr dollars are much cheaper than what we just looked at. You can check out the sold prices on eBay for a better idea of what they're sold for. If you learned something, hit that up thumb and consider becoming a channel member to help support these videos. Thanks for watching.